good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Adirapo, and today what I want to teach you how to build is I want to teach you how to design a resort website. A resort website where people can come and have fun, play some game, like a beach side, just do whatever thing. So let me just show you the prototype. But what we're going to be doing is going to be better than this. I trust God. And this, like this now. If you come to this side, this is the home page of the site. They have so many, so many stuff here, and then scroll down, you see the activities they have here. They have a pedal court, squid game, top golf, paintball, and the likes. And they have a about us section here, and then we have a call to action here, and we have the gallery stuff, and then we have about us here, activities and contact us. And then in case you want to add a room to your home, whereby people can come to your resort, and probably if they don't want to go back home, they can decide to stay in your room. You can decide to do that. It all depends on what you want. So today, without wasting much of our time, let's go to the details of what we want to do. So first and foremost, I'm going to come to, this is the site we'll be using, and this is the front end. Can you see it? Empty website. Let me refresh it again. It is empty website. The only thing I did here is to install my themes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So without wasting much of our time, now let's go back to our back end. The first thing you're going to do in building your site is to come to your appearance, come to themes. And when you come to themes, you have to install your Cadence theme. This is it. So I've installed the theme. But in case you don't know how to install it, just click on add theme. And when you click on add theme, just scroll down. You see under popular section, you see this it's part of the popular store. Just come to popular, you look for Cadence, or click here and type Cadence. Can you see it now? So since you have it, install and activate. So once you done install and activate, the next thing is to come to your plugin and come to install plugin. You can come to your plugin. So when you come to your plugin, it's going to load out the dashboard for you. So no plugin here. So I'm going to come to add plugin. So you need to decide what kind of plugin you need to build your website. And I'm going to tell you the truth of the matter is that one plugin, you can use just 1, 2, 3 to build your website. What matter is use Elementor. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using like 4 or 5 plugins though. So let's go ahead. Elementor is my first favorite plugin. So I'm going to wait for it to load out for me. So and I'm going to click on first one. I'm going to click on Ultimate add-on for Elementor. Do I need? No, I don't need it. Elementor Site Kit. Yes, I need this. Essential add-on for Elementor. Yes, I need it. And Elementor himself. Yes, I need it. Those are the 3 plugins I need for that Elementor section. And the reason why I need all of those stuff is because of the fact that there are some premium features in Elementor that I can't easily access to, but this other plugin have them. So since I've got this, I'll come to here again. This is just popular. Let me just see. I need some plugin here. I don't need use plugin. I don't need WooCommerce plugin. I need WP form. You will need WP form for your contact us pages. In case you want to build your contact us pages, you might need this in case you don't want to be receiving spamming email. But there is one particular plugin I don't joke with. That is Classic Widgets. Please, if you follow me very well, you notice I don't joke with this particular plugin, Classic Widget. And another one is, let me use, what is it called? Pisabe. I don't joke with this plugin because it allows me to get free images without stress. So having installed all this plugin, the next thing you need to do now is to come to your installed plugin. Yeah, I think I need to install another plugin called Shina Elementor. Yeah. Shina Elementor is what allow me. Now, Shina Elementor is what allow me to be able to build my website to be able to have a sliding stuff on my website. So I click on this installed now. So this is the Shina Elementor. Can you see it? I really use this a lot. I use it a lot. So now, for the sake of this tutorial, the next thing we need to do now is to go to our install plugin. The plugin we have installed, we're going to come to this place and activate them at once. So click on this and click on bulk action and click on activate and click on apply. So by the time you do that now, this is going to activate all the plugin except one, because I think one will not activate or with all of them. This Elementor is not activated, and the reason why it's not activated is because it always proves differently. So I will just activate it by himself. So after I activate the Elementor, I will now go and activate Shina Elementor, because Shina Elementor will never activate, will not even work if you did not activate the, what is it called, the Elementor himself. So I'm going to come to install plugin and go to my Shina Elementor to install it. Can you see now? So I'm going to activate it now. So having done this, what is the next thing? The next thing is to go and build our page. Or let me just do a little setting here. Just click on this Shina template and click on save changes. That's all. No stress. So guys, the next thing we need to do now is to go to our pages. I'm going to come to my pages here and click on add all pages. Let me click on all pages. And then the next thing I need to do is to add pages. So I'm going to click on add the pages. Can you see add pages here? So when I click on my add pages now, I want to add like 4 or 5 pages. So for me to get this done now, I need to do something. I need to just get them done as soon as possible. So first and foremost, the first page that I want to add is home. So I'll come here, come to this place, change it to Elementor widget, full widget. Change from default template to Elementor full width. Click on publish, publish. After that, I click on add new. I would like to do about us. About us. So change it again and put it on this and click on publish, publish. So the next one I want to do now is contact us. Do the same setting for this and click on publish, publish. I add another page to it. So the next thing I want to do now is activities, because if I'm coming to a result, activities. If I'm coming to a result, I want to see the kind of activities they have that can attract me. Hope you know. So because I just want to go and have fun. That's why I'm going to results, center. So I'm just going to come publish, publish. So before I come up with this, I've taken my time to look at so many results in Lagos, in different states, to get idea about how they build their stuff. And I see that most of them does. Believe me, you can take your time, check from what we're going to do now. Look at other research center in Lagos and then compare with the one we're going to do, and you see that of course we're different, knowing fully whether we're building from scratch. So guys, without wasting much of our time now, the next thing we need to do now is we have built a page. Let's go and create our menu. Come to appearance, come to menu, click on it. So I'm going to come here, just scroll down. I'm going to click on create this main menu. You can just type your menu. You can just type me menu. You have any menu you want here, and just scroll down here and click on save changes first. After that, I will just have to take away this. Sorry, let me just pause this video and take away this. So all I need to do now is to come and click on select all here. I click on add to menu. Mind you, if you have room, maybe you have room that maybe you want your research center to have room, you can create a page for room. And if you don't know how to build that, I have a video on how to build that, so you can just check my YouTube channel. That was my second to the last video. So after creating this menu now, if I come back to my front end of my website and I refresh, now these are them now, but then I don't want this to be the home page. I don't want this post to be the landing page. I will come back here, come to setting there, go to my general setting. I think I don't even have issue with general setting. General setting is okay. So I need to go to my reading. Reading first. So my reading, I will change it to a static page, and I will change my home page to home. And I will scroll down to save the stuff. So having done that, the next thing I want to do is my permanent. Just click on permanent. These are the two settings I would like to do. Okay, my permanent is okay. That my post discussion. I don't want any form of comment, and the reason why I don't want that is because sometimes some people might just be spamming your stuff. So instead of them to be doing all this thing, I don't want any comment, anything comment. I don't want it. So no bot can do anything on this now. Now, having done this now, the next thing now is to go and set our header and our footer. So let me show you what I mean here. So now before you know, this is what it's showing. If I refresh now, because I've set it to read it now, it's showing to the normal way now. Now I want to set the header and the footer so we can have something nice. So without wasting much of our time now, let's go and do that. So I'm going to click on customize. Now I'm going to click on customize, and the first thing I will do in my customize section is to customize the header. Now if you want to customize your header, how do we first go? Let's first go to color and and footer, color and front. So my color will be, I have a nice color here that, oh, my notepad, let me open my notepad. Did I save this? I hope I won't lose this document. So let me just pause this video and open my notepad. Okay, it's there already. Let me close this. Yeah, let me focus on this. Yeah, the color I want to use, the first color I want to use is this. Just come here, change the color to this. Yeah, why the darker one is this. Copy it, come to this place and put it this. Yeah, so I'll come here, I'll just make it more darker. Oh, let me see what I can do here. Place this and then drag it down. I'm coming, I want to do something. I'll pick it. Okay, let me copy this, Ctrl+C, and I paste it there. Ctrl+V. I'll come to this my notepad there and add this again. So yeah, I'm done with the front. So I'll publish. Now I'll come back to my front. I need to change my button color as automatically change. Nice. I'll come to this place. My typography, I want to use Avera. I think that's it. Yeah, Avera Sun. Avera, yeah. AVER. Yeah, this is it. I think it is sound, not serious. Let me check. Yeah, sounds, yeah, that's it. So I will come to my size. I need to increase it to 20. Yeah. So I'm going to publish again. So now let's start the designing of the header first. That's my really focus here. Let me come to my header here. I'm going to pick, let me just come to design. Let me turn the height to 100. No, it's too much. Let me make it 90. 85. Okay, 85 is cool. Come here. My background rule, let me change it to this. Let me pick this. No, let me check this. This color. Let me leave it as white. If I leave it as white, then I will come to here to come and change this menu here. Change this to this. Change my active color to this. No, okay, let me make my active color this. Yeah. Okay, so let me bold them. Let me scroll down a little bit. Navigation font. Let me change the font. Let me give it 700. Yeah, 700. Come to style, make it 20. Yeah. Okay. Press again. Cool. I think I would like to see if I can change this color because I don't have the name yet. Let me change this color to this. Yeah, fine. Since I don't have a name yet, a logo yet, but I would just want to use this as a color. And then yeah, fine. Can I publish my header? I think it's okay like this. Or should I make it underline? It's okay like this. So now let me come to my footer. what I want to do to my footer is first let me start from this section, this guy. I'm gonna go with the first one. So number one, button space, I don't want, I will turn it to 0. Minimum height, turn it to 0. Is out. So I'll scroll up again, come to design. All I need to do is to come here, we just try to change the color to white. My widget content, change it to white. My link, change it to white. All of them is white. I don't want anything. So then my background row, let me scroll down to background row, change it to the darker one. Yeah, great. So scroll back here, change this to 15. I want to be 15 here. Cool. So come here, let me edit this. Come here, edit, come to general, scroll down. Okay, sorry, come to the pencil, click on this pencil icon, come to setting here and delete this team credits and put this and put design by Dleading. Dleading web design. So, and I will link them so that people who come to this site can be able to, see my website. https Dleading web design, Dleading.com. Enter. So, and I'll publish them. Now this is the first thing. Now footer, we have three sections of footer. We need the last section, the middle section, and the fourth section. So most of the time, it is only the last section and the middle section people used to use. So in this middle section, now I'll click on this and put widget 1. Come here, put widget 2. Come here, put widget 3. And the reason why I can do all these things is because of the classic widget I use. So now I need to set it now. I will come here and do some setting. I will scroll down and set. I don't want it to be colon space. I don't want the top of it. I want it to be 45 here. You might not see the effect of what I'm doing now. The bottom, I don't want it. Minimum height, minimum height. Okay, let me just leave it like that. So now I will scroll here, come to my design, change the whole color widget title, make it white. Just give it white. And I will come to widget content, make it white. And I'll come to link color, just make it white. Everything, make it white. That's how you can get the best out of this. So immediately I make every one of them white. Now I'm going to publish. So when I publish, now I'm going to come to this place to refresh. Control R. So now I'm going to, you see the difference now. Can you see now everything is coming up a little by little, right? It's fine. But you see that there's nothing there. But if you look at this site, let me put it, let me scroll down. You see that we have something there. Don't worry, I told you, I said we're going to have something better than this, So I'm going to come here, who we are. Just copy this. I can even decide to stop from here, to stop here. Just copy. And then I'm going to come here. Where is my customize? So I'm going to come to my site and my backend. Now my backend, I'm going to come to my appearance, come to widget. Because of that plugin we install with classic widget, just click on this. So when you click on this, now it's going to take you to where you can edit your footer. So I'm going to scroll down. When I scroll down, I'm going to pick test. This is test. Can you see it? Click it and add it to footer 1. And when you add it to footer 1, just scroll down, click on add widget. So in this place, you can just put who we are. So I'm going to put this right up here, just for putting sake. Click on save changes and click on done. So I'm going to go to widget 2. Can you see navigation menu? Can you see it here? Click on it and add it to footer widget 2 and click on add widget. So I'm going to come here and go to say quick link or anything you feel like putting it. I'm going to click on this and click on the main menu I created. Click on save changes. If you want to use the main menu, you can create as many menu you want and use the menu as when you're done. Click on done. So the third one I want to use is contact information. I'm going to copy, come here, just go to test and just scroll down. Footer 3, add widget. And I'm going to come here and say get in touch. Get in touch. So let me go to my my portfolio. if I can see my contact information and copy them. Now this is my portfolio. These are all the work I've done, different type of work I've done. So I will just copy this. Let's Ctrl C. Then I'll come back to this place. This is my widget, and I'll paste it here. And I'll click on save, and I'll click on done. So by the time I click on this and I come back here and I can refresh now, can you see now everything is in white, right? Can you see now? But it's not coming out the way we want it. So I'm going to come to my customization, and I forget to do something here. I forgot to click on this middle row section. So this middle row section, I'll click on it. Once I click on it, I will scroll down here. Can you see this place? I didn't change it to this color. That's the only mistake I made. I'm going to click on publish. Then I click on publish and I come back here. Let me refresh this place so that by the time we come back, just refresh. So I'll come back here again and refresh. Can you see now that everything is working out the way we want it? But what I want is that I want this to be in the middle. Can you see? So I'm going to do something, and I want this font is too big for me. I want this from here to downward here. I want to be 15 pixels. So I'm going to come here. Can you see? Then we have them here. Fine. So I'm going to come to footer, and I'm going to come to this middle row here to set everything at once. Come to design and change the content. Can you see the content to 15? Under size, yeah. So immediately everything is looks. So I'm going to click on this place, click on this arrow and up down, click on it. You see nothing is showing up. Fine. Click on this and click on this again. Nothing is showing up, right? Don't worry about that. Just click on publish and refresh again. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna click on this pencil icon. No, just come here, click on this arrow icon again. Can you see now? It show up now. I'm gonna put it at this. So under mobile, I will return it back to this, because if not, if I didn't return it, it will be in the middle. So it will, this is how it should be. If I didn't return it, so I'll return it like this. So fine. I will return it back to the desktop where I want it. Now the next thing again I want is that if you come to mobile view, you see that. Just come to mobile view. If you look at, let me reduce this so that I can see what I want to show you. Reduce this to 80. Yeah, if you see this now, can you see this? Firstly, I want to increase this a little bit. To be like 15 or 16. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 16 is okay for me, and I think I'm okay with that. But the next thing I'm not okay with this. It's too small. I'm going to click on this pencil icon, change it to this, and come to this place, increase it to 45, and change this color, change it to this color. Yeah, great. So publish. So now we have done with our header and footer. So we have, now if I refresh this place now, it's going to be in the middle. Can you see now everything is getting along the way we want it? Now the next thing we need to do before to make our work more easier, if you come to this place, all these activities you're seeing here, they are blocks. I'm telling you, they are all blocks. They are all blocks. So what I want to do right is to come to this activity section. So I'm going to open all the blocks one by one and copy them one by one. Is that okay, guys? So what I'm going to do right away is I'm going to open this in a new tab. So I'm going to open two in it. I'm going to copy two block section for you so that you can see what I mean. Can you see now? If you look at all these things, can you see that they are all blocked? They are all blocked. So guys, let's go ahead and do this. So the first is paddle court. I'm going to just copy two. So I expect you now, if you are doing your own, let me close out of this place. If you are doing your own, you should have your activities. You should have asked the resort center you are working for and say, please, can you tell me all the activities you have? So when they tell you all the activities they have, you just come here and come and create the blog section for them. So I'm going to come here and delete this, move to trash. So now I want to start adding a new activities. Now I'll just add 2 for the sake of this, that I don't want this video tutorial to be long, and then I will now apply now, move to trash. Now I'll click on add post. So what I want to do now is just very simple, and I'll still show you another one more setting so that nobody will be able to comment on this. So this is the title, got it. So I'm going to put all the write-up for this paddle court here. Just copy all of them here. Let me try it again. I want to reduce this so that I can be able to see everything to copy at once. So don't worry about what I do to my screen. Just copy them. Come back to my post here. Yeah, just come here, paste it. Now come to this place, post. Now create category. So I need to create a category, and I'll call it, the category will be activities. So I'm going to add a new category. So when I add a new category, it will carry this. So the next thing I need to do is to come to my image co-ops and select my image. So I don't have any image on this website. I'm going to come to this place. Don't worry, I will give you a file of where you can see all the image for. Go to my desktop, and I'll click on resort. Yeah, this is all the resort picture. Click on it. I will open it. So I'll just, oh god, okay. Just control everything. Anyone that did not install, let them go. Oh, sorry. I make use of software to download some of these stuff. But before I share this with you, I'm going to make sure I resize all of them so that you won't have repetition of, like, all these things and their repetition to me. So then let's see, it's for good. 1,000, 750, 1,730. Okay, let's go for this. So let me just go for this for now. So I'm gonna publish. So publish again. So for the sake of this tutorial, you might not really get the best, what's it called, the best version of all the image size, because I don't really have time to check the image size for now. But just follow what I'm doing. In your own case, I believe you would have getting the right picture to use and resize them to be equal. So I'm going to add new more post again. So I'll come to this. I'm done with this paddles. So I'm going to come to this quick quad biking, anyhow you call it. Sorry, I'm not a fan of this. I'm just doing for tutorial sake. So you're gonna come to here again. Just get some things. Okay. Just get them right up. Oh great. So let me click on the next one. Come here. Paste it here. Come to post. Go click on activities and come to feature image. Quick biking. Where is it, guys? Where you? Oh, I'm gonna click on. Oh really? Okay, let me come to my image, upload image. I think I didn't upload that finish. Select. Let me just scroll down to where I can have my quick biking stuff. Sorry. Quick biking. Yeah, let me see this. 750. No, I want. Let me use this. So you won't bother about my size, please. Just don't bother about my size. I don't know. I think I'm not getting the right size. But then just follow my training. So I'll click on add new post again. So once I add one more again, I would like to pause this video, or yeah, let me just add golf. Yeah. And just come here, add post, paste. So I'm gonna scroll down. So I'm going to add this next one, paintball. But before then, put this here. Come to your post, click on activities, and click on here. Let's see, maybe I have the top gov here. Do I have a gov here? I have a gov here. Let me see this. Okay, I'm going to pick this. There are so many games, activities here, but then I'll just do for just 4 only. So in your own case, you can add more. So paintball. Let me just do paintball. This is the last one I'm going to add to it. I'm going to come here, paste it, come to this place, scroll down, copy all the content. Come here, paintball. Funny enough, I've never played this paintball before in my life. For none of these activities I've played before. But I'm looking forward to a time where I can do that. So paintball, let me pick it up. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Paintball, 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 paintball. I added to a Switch game for you guys to play. I'll pick this and see this. Let me pick out this chili. So, did I use this? Let me check this. This is okay. I'm going to use this here. So I'm going to publish them now. Yeah, I'm done with the activities for now. So the next action now is to start designing our home page. So let me go back to my home page here. So this will be in our dashboard. So now we have this home page here. So let's start with, click on edit page and open it in a new tab. So guys, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to do the whole editing from scratch. So click on edit Elementor. So what I'm going to do now is that for the home page, about us page, contact us page, activities page, I have all the templates, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to design the home page from the basic to the advanced, from the header, from the top hero section to the last part of it. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to allow you, if you need the about us page, the contact us page, the activities page, you can actually reach out to me and I can guide you on how you can get them. So but then let's go ahead with our design. Hey guys, we're here again. So guys, click on this. Now the first thing I'm going to do, because I'm building from scratch, Elementor will not allow me to have my own normal design until I set my color combination to what I want. So I'm going to come here, come to site setting, click on it. And so when I click on it, I'm going to come to my global color. So, and I think I have the global color here. So my primary will be, let me just come to my color here. My primary might be this. No, accent must be the sharp one. Okay, I think this should be the sharp one. Okay, let me see how it go. Come to this place, copy this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, here, right here. Let me copy this. Here we get the same. Here we also get the same. So I'm going to click on save changes. So I'm going to go back again, click on global font, and I'm going to, my primary here will be Avera, Averia, the San Libre. Come here again to secondary, the same thing. If you notice me very well, I don't use two fonts. But though design principle permit us to use 1 to 3 most. For me, I like one font. So I'm going to go on save changes now. So now this will have the same effect I have on my clothes here. on my site and with this. So guys, let's start our design. The first thing we have here, if you look at this particular, let me show you the home page. Okay, let me come back to the home page. Now guys, you will see that our own site today, the first thing we have here is we have an arrow section of different stuff that is going. So we have at least like 3. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to just do like a 2 or 3 arrow section. So I'm going to come here, click on this place, change it to full width. I don't need anything here. Come to this place, I will type Shina. Just type Shina. So there's Shina 5. There's something I'm looking for in Shina. So just scroll down to where you see Shina banner. This is it. Just drag it inside. So by default, you need to do something. Number one thing you need to do is, it's not really a full width. If you look at it, it's not full. There's space here and there's space there. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to come to advanced and unlink every form of space. Yeah, I will do the same thing. That's when it now become a full stop. So I also come here again. I also come to this place. Okay. So yeah, I will also come to my this container. Come here again. Do the same thing for this place and this place. Yeah, can you see now that every gap has been closed? Now let's start our editing. So I'll come to this guys, click on edit this channel. So we have to, I'm gonna just go with the 2 we have it because of time, but you can do 3, 4, 5, and as many as you want. So I will come to my content here. I'll click on this first banner. Now the first image is an entrance of the of the hotel. Let the people see that okay, this hotel has a building. So I'm going to come here, upload. Come the picture. I have a picture here. I have an entrance picture. I have I can install this. I'm looking for the entrance. I'm kind of looking for, yeah, and install this. Yeah, I think this 2 is okay for now. So let me use this. Let me use this. Yeah. So I'll select it, and I will say, let me see what I put here. Experience. I can just say welcome to Dleading or Dleading Results Center. And I can come here. Let me see when they can just see some right up to pick here. Let me just copy something here. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will use the same write-up. So I will scroll down. You see that we have a particular write-up here which is subtitled. Just delete it and scroll down, copy and delete that one, and come to where you have description. Click on it, paste this. Now if you want your own email, your own what's it called, if you want your own write-up, this particular slide to have its own customized link, that we have this to that will go to different place, this will go to different place, and this one, the next one, this one will also go to different place entirely. Yeah, I will show you this. I will show you now. Let's do that. This is where we do that. So each slide we have their own customized link. That's what I want to do. For the primary menu, which is the first one, I will just say about us, and I will change the link here to about. Let me come here and copy the about link here. Paste it. So here I want you to come to contact us, or let me take it to our activities page. No, contact us. Yeah. So I'll copy a contact us page here also, link, and I'll come here and I'll paste it here. Now this is for the first one. Let's do the second one now. The second one now is that in this second one here, I want to talk about one activities. Let me use paintball. So this guy. So I will use this, yeah, bike riding. And I can just say, I can just come here and copy this. I'm just, okay, let me see, paste this right on my page. I have it. So I will come down to my right up section here, description here, paste the same right up I have here. Okay, sorry. Ctrl C, come here. Ctrl V. So I will delete this subtitle. Don't add subtitle to your own, except if you feel like you need it, you can use it. But to me, I don't see any need for using it. I can just copy this. Yeah, the heading. What will be the heading? Let me use let the form begin. So it is usually good as a designer to have a content ready down, a ready-made content before you start your design process. So I will come here, the link now. Now the link is read more. I'll put read more in this, read more. So this read more, I want you to go straight to where we have that game, that quick biking game. So I'll come to this post, all post. So the quiet biking, abbreviation they call them. So I'll just copy this link address, come to my edit, paste it here. Can you see now that the link address is different? Why the secondary? I can just click on view more, view. Okay, let me change it to our activities. And I'll come here. You see that the same thing but different place. Copy the address, come to this place and paste it. See now, can you see now we have these two, and if you look at the mobile version of it, perfect, you don't have problem. Can you see? No problem, no nothing. So the only thing can you see? Perfect, nothing is problem at all. So the only thing I want to change out of here is I want to change the color, and I don't want this arrow bar. I'm going to scroll down and click on slide setting, and I'm going to pause on mouse dragging. I don't want dots. Navigation, I don't want it. So you will see now everything is well set, and I want this thing to be rounded. So I will scroll up to the setting, come to style, and I will come to my primary button. First thing I want to change here is the color. I will make use of this color. No, this color is too shy. Let me make use of the light one. Yeah, I think, yeah, I will make use of that. So the setting here, I can make use of it to be a little bit 500 medium. Yeah, I think that's still okay. No, I want it to be set to be rounded. So let me see how I can do that. You go to the border radius. Yeah, just scroll down. There's a place called border radius. Yeah, the border radius. So put 100. Yeah, so I'll go down to secondary now. Secondary button. So you just do the same thing, and let's keep moving. So come here, make it 500. Sorry, no. So I will change the what is it called? I want to change the color to the same color we have here, this light one. Yeah. So, and I want to come here and give it a border radius of 500, 100 rather, 100. So we are done with the hero section. I will publish it now. Fine, let's come to our website. Let's refresh. Yeah, fine. So we have something. Can you see now? It's nice, it's perfect, it's cool. So let's continue our journey. So the next thing I want to have here is that, can you see that it's even, to me, I even like it more than this. So the next thing I want to have here, we want to have these 2 section activities. So let's come here. Without wasting much of our time, our design process is going on. Come here, pick this one single column that is facing down. Pick it. So when you pick it, I'm going to come here and pick center. Then I'm going to click on this plus element, this plus section. Click on this, drag this container inside this place. And when you drag it, duplicate it. Duplicate. So before anything, I will come to this main container here, this one. Can you see this 6 dotted line? Click on it. What I want to do now is I want to come to the advanced. I will give it a up and down padding. I'll make it up. You can make it 70. Make down also 70. So in doing that, I will come to this place, this container here, first one, I will change it to 70% or give it 75. Give it 75. Yeah. So I will drag heading and come to this element. So drag your heading, drag it inside this first container. Go back here again. Drag your text editor, drag it inside this first container also, under it. Sure you see. So this inside this first container, we have heading and text editor, right? Fine. Now why is it not showing? Yeah, it's showing now. So we have the 2 here now. So now what do we need to do? Let's first with our heading. Now in our heading, the first thing I want to do is I want to come here. Let me just copy this. I can just copy this. I can paste let the form begin, but because I don't want a repetition, I can just say our activities. Or you can use, let me just come to ChatGPT here. Help me to change this word and write something about the word. Write something about it. Alternative is the adventure ahead. Time to make memory. Yeah. Let the good time roll. Step into the fun. Get ready to enjoy. I can use, you are talking to an audience, so you must, use something that will engage your audience on your website. Something that your audience will want to, they will feel like something that will captivate their attention and will engage them. I can just put your fun journey start here, or step into the fun, or get ready to enjoy. Yeah, wow. Get ready to enjoy. Your fun journey starts here. Let me use this. Ctrl C. So I'll just come here. Let me drag my ChatGPT close to my editing stuff. I'll just come here, paste it here. Your fun journey starts here. Come to this place. Come to your setting. The only setting you will just do is to increase it to 45. See, 45. No, 45. Yeah, and you can make it 50 and put it on center. So it depends on what you want. Let me turn it to, I think 45 is okay for now. So now we'll come back here. Just copy this. And I will come here. Under this right up section. Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl V. and center it. That is the only thing you want to do here. Center. The reason why I make this 75 is so that the wordings will not spread like I don't. Now, for example, now if I change this thing from 75 to 100, you will see what I'm talking about now. 100. Shall you see now? But I don't want it to be like this. I just make it of 80. I'm okay with this. Now, here now, what I use here is I will not come and use a blog. So let me just come here. So I'll just search for posts. So I can look at what can I use. So post. Let me see this China blog post first. I'm not sure that is what I use, but let me just see what come out. Okay. Grid. I will change it to 2. Category activities. Exactly. Can you see what I'm talking about? Okay, because number of posts is what I put here is still, so I will change it to 4. So if you have more than activities on your site, so you can use as much as possible. So if you have much than, let us mean you have like 10 activities on your site now, because if you look at this site now, if you look at this site, I have like 10 activities. But if you see what I put here, I put view more, so that if I don't want to show all the whole 10, it will be too clumsy. So they can click on view more to be able to see the remaining activities. So that is the same thing you can do. You can just say show 4. So even though you have 10, it will always show view more. And let me show you how to. I think now I'm okay with what I'm seeing here now. I'm perfectly okay with it. And if you look at the mobile view about it again, you will see everything is perfect. Except that I need to give it a little padding. Can you see everything is perfect the way we want it? Perfect, perfect, perfect. So what I'm going to do right away is I'm going to come to this place and give it 10 padding. Here, give it 10. And here, give it 10. And let me check the mobile view. I'm cool. I don't have a problem. I'm cool with this. I'm happy with what I'm seeing. So I'm going to click on publish. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this now. I hope you are seeing this magic behind this design. Don't worry about what you are seeing here. Don't worry. Sometimes this plugin do crazy thing. This is what we call glitch. Sometimes don't worry about that. It doesn't affect you. If you come to your back end here to come and check front end here, you will see that you are not seeing all this kind of stuff here. They are all perfect. Can you see now? Can you see what I'm seeing? Oh guy. Oh no. I am enjoying this. Can you see them? So people can easily come here and click on this read more to be able to read more about the stuff, you know. Just click on any of them and they will be able to read about it. Now after we have done this, what's next again? What else do we need to do? Now let's talk about the organization. The reason why I didn't put a about us section after the hero section is because of the fact that when people come, they want to see something that will engage them. It is when they see something that will engage them that, ah, wow, this thing is nice, and they are scrolling, they won't know when the time they will get to about us. But when you put your about us, sometimes they will just feel like they will just get tired if the thing is not really interesting them. And don't forget, a resource center is not a company. It's not like a company, a corporate company whereby you want people to know how the standard organization is. This is a resource center. People who come to your website they need fun, they need a place where they can chill out and enjoy themselves. So you must first give them what really matters. So as a web designer, you must be able to know how to give your audience or create a website that will retain people on the website. So let's continue. So let's do about us now. About us is just a two section. So I'll just come here, click on this column, click on this two section. So when I click on these two sections, the first thing I need to do is to put center. And I'll come here, put 20. So the next thing, I'll come to my advanced here, give it a padding of 50-50 also. I'll give it the top padding of 50. Here, I'll give it the top padding of 10 here. Bottom 50 here, left 10. Now my focus is that because this one we end with write up, so the first thing I'll put here is image. I'll just come here I can just put an image here. Look for an image, drag it inside this place, and the image I will pick is this. Let me just look for, I think I have an image here. I can just pick this place, this image, just for using sake. So let's see what I'm going to do with it. This image is not that long, so the write-up I'll put here must not be long. Let me see where I can pick another image. Yeah, I think this is too cool. It's still a little bit long, so I need something that will be a little bit, you know, if you look at this now, you must use an image that accommodates your stuff here, except if your wordings are not that much. So, and as a web designer, you must know how to put in the right word. People don't have much time to read anything you want to put on the side, just except if it is engaging to them. So I'm going to come here inside the second container, put heading, come back here, put write up, and put button. That's the three thing you need there. Button, where's but yeah, this button, yeah. Perfect. So in my write up here, I'm going to come here, I'm going to say who we are. Change it to 40 or 45. That's the only thing I'm going to change here. Let me see 45. Okay, 45 is okay with me. I think I use 45 in the other side also. I'm going to come here, just copy this from here to here. I'm cool. It's not much to give everybody what bulky write up. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on read more. So anybody who is interested with your write up, who is interested with your write up, then they should be able to want to read more about your stuff, read more about us. Just put read more. And I'm going to click and put about here. So anytime I type about, it's going to load about us for me. This is it. So can you see now? I can just, let me just put in this write up and just see deleting. Dleading Resort Center. Yeah. So let me just change this to Dleading Legacy. So I think it's going on the way I want to. Read more. Now I want to do something about this button. I want it to be a, you know, come to here. I want to add a icon here. Just type arrow. I'm going to pick this long arrow that faces this way and click on insert, and then I'm going to put it to front, and I'm going to add 15 to gap. Oh, let me just make it 15. Yeah, fine. I'm going to come here, and when I come to this place, what I want to do in my style is to increase the what do I want to do? I want to give it a border radius of round. If you want to give it a round, you can give it 50 or 100. If you want it to be round, but I didn't want this to be round alone, I will take away this. I will unlink them. But I will give this, I'll give the right, let me just give it 50. I'll give my bottom 50. Exactly, this is what I want to do for them. Yeah, cool. So you can add any animation to it by coming to here. Maybe you will come to advanced, you want to add animation, but because of time I won't be doing all those things on. Just scroll down to motion effect and scroll down. Just scroll down to where you have default entrance. You can say you want it to slide in, but I won't add anything. I just want to show you sliding from the left. No, you can change it to sliding from the right. Yeah, so that's sliding from that place, but then I don't want any of it. I will just pick none for the sake of this tutorial. No time. So you see now, so I'm going to post it. If you look at it now, it's very simple. We don't have too much of cumbersome stuff. Nothing is too much. Everything is just going the way I want it. This is a give me joy. I mean, can you see now? But you notice that this thing is all white. I need to make a difference between this section and the first section, yeah, to make it look cool. So I'm going to come here. So I'm going to come to this section, and I'm going to add something to it to make it look cool. I'm not really cool with that, you know. Come to style, and when I come to my style, one of the things I want to do my style, give it a background. and give it a color, and just pick this. Let me just pick this. Yeah, so I don't really want. Okay, let me pick. I want to do something. I want to pick this 8 cent. Yeah, you know, see what I will do now. So I will now draw this. Can you see this second arrow? Just drag it down. Just keep dragging it to your own satisfaction. I think it's cool like this. So people see that this is quite different from the other, and I can still decide to say, oh, this padding at the top, I'm not really cool with it. I still want it to be really little big, but let me publish it first. Let me check the mobile. Mobile is cool by me. I don't have problem with my mobile. Anything I do, mobile is compulsory for me. So let me refresh. Guys, you see what we're talking about now? Yeah, of course, I like what I'm seeing there. Yeah, great. So if I want to do it now, the next version of it that remain here, I think after this you can have a call to action. Like, okay, people just give them a call to action to have this view about what you do. So I'm going to just come here, make it 1, and I'm going to come here and make it center. So I'm going to make it full width. Should I make it full width or boss? Okay, let me just leave it as boss. So what I want to do first is I'm going to come to style, and under the background I will add image of where can it call of someone who is enjoying. Let me see. Maybe I can use this image. Let me see how this image will look like. Okay, let me just scroll down. Even though this image is too long, but I know how to fix it. I can make it center bottom. I want people to be able to see center left, top center, no bottom center. Yes, I want people to be able to see this. No, I can make it. No, let me make it default. No repeat. And make it cover. Fine. So background overlay. Let me just give it a little bit of background overlay. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. I'll just give it a little bit of black, and I'll make it 0.6. So fine. Now the next thing I want to do here is that I want to add I forget to do something. I'm going to give it like a 400. Let's make it 400. So the right, if I want to put inside, I can just make it 900. Yeah, fine. So I will come here, come to this plus icon, drag my heading. The three things I will put inside this box is heading, text, and button. Edit. Come back here. Add element. Add my text to this. Come back here again. Add my button to it. I'm done. That's all. I'm telling you. So I hope you enjoy what I'm doing here. So add my. Can you see this? Yeah, great. So let's start with my heading. Let me see what I put here. Just copy them. Ready to make a memory that lasts fast, like a question mark. Copy. Come here. Control A, Control V. Come back here. Make it 45. Most of the time when you are doing your work, try to always make sure it's something you use the same stuff. Oh, sorry. What do I want to do here? I want to make it a little bit thicker. Let's make it a little bit broader. Center and line height. I need to do something in the line height section here. Line height, just if it's 45, give it 55. Yeah, great. So okay, change the color to white. I'm gonna change the color to white. Yeah, great. So come back to my test. Let's say, oh, come to my ChatGPT. Help me to rewrite this and let it focus on Dleading Resource Center. See it? I like this. Come to my editing, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. I'm going to change it to white. The reason I'm doing here is just to change this to white and make it center, nothing more. Center and change the color to white. And after that, come to my button here and I'll just put get started there. Direct them to my contact us. This contact us. Come to this place. I like this. I want to change the text to be a little bit bolder. So I hope you're following. So please, if you really enjoy this tutorial, please share with your loved one, please. So one of the things I want to do with the typography is just to increase it a little bit to 600, and then I'm gonna close out of it and then give it a, yeah, I think I'm okay with this. I'm gonna give it a border radius of 100. Yeah, I want to be like this. Can I make this a little bit light? Okay, I think it's okay like this. So if you look at this now, there's no space here, no space in the bottom here. Come back here. I'm going to come to advanced. Give the padding of 75, 50. I'm going to come here and link this place. Give the pattern of 75 here. 75. In your right, give it just 10. In your bottom, give it just 50. And your left, give it 10. Cool. Hey, sorry, no. 10. Yeah, cool. I like it like this. So I can make the bottom 75 also. I feel like, yeah. So I'll make the top 100. Yeah, cool. I like it like this. Publish. Guys, I'm about to round up this home page. Can you see refresh? Telling you guys, we're having a nice work here. Yeah, it's cool. You want to check the mobile version? Let's go ahead and look at it. 100. I'm telling you, perfect for us. Can you see? Yeah, they're getting the best. So the last one I want to do now is 2 section also. Can you see? If you look at this section, it's 2 section. Can you see this? See the magic, this, and you know. So I'm gonna come here. Come to this place. So instead of me to stress myself and create a new section from the basic again, I'm just gonna come here, copy this. Just copy. How is it taking time? Okay, copy. And scroll down. And paste here. Paste. So can you see that this work is kind of, just know what you're doing, just be good, just do something nice. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna write it here. No, let me just copy this too. Test ChatGPT. MJ, write this thing, paste it here. Help me to rewrite it to suit my brand. Trust me, we're gonna do it. Experience the magic. Can you see? Just copy this, come here, come to your edit part of it. Okay, where you are, come to your heading here. Ctrl A, Ctrl V. Come back to this place. Copy the write-up. Come here. here, paste it. Now here, delete what you put here, because this is I want to use image now. Just delete what you put here. Yeah, come here and search for gallery. Basic gallery. Yeah, let me just use this basic gallery. So all I just have to do is just to come and I can just see how many pictures do I have here. 4, right? Yeah, great. So we'll just come here, just make them 4. Just pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I can't use this. It's too long. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it's too long. This one is too. Okay, let me just pick one of these. 9, 10, right? Let me just click on 10. I need 2 more. Okay, let me first add this first, and I'm going to look for 2 more to add. Insert gallery. So I know what I'm doing. I will turn everything, turn everything to an image or medium. Yeah. So yeah, okay, great. So I need 2 more to put here. So I'll just come here, add to gallery, just come to upload file, come to select. I think I should be able to get 2 more pictures. Tennis court, yeah. Yeah, I think I need this. Game center, yeah, I think I need this. Golf, I think I need this. Yeah, we have food, we have this. We have this, yeah, let me use this. I think it's okay like this. So by the time what I'm doing, the main I think I installed this image now. Why did not come in? Oh, what if we this? Let me go on. Let me do that again. Let me just see them again. Okay. I think I'm seeing them here already. So I will just wait for them to load. The reason why I installed some of them in 2.2 version is because I want to see the size, so I can see the right size for all of this one. I will keep on ticking them now because it's not as if I want them. Now, all of them, I think all of them has been installed. I want to untick them so I can be able to see the right size. Yeah, let's start. I need this. Let me check. This is a good size. Yeah, I think this is a good size for me. I need this also. Let me check this. No. This is not a good size for me. So I'll pick 2. Let me check this. This is a good size for me. Game center. Yeah. This is also a good size for me. This is also a good size for me, although it's big. No, I don't need this. Yeah, this is a good size for me. No, I don't need this. Yeah, this is a good size for me, so I'm going to add all this thing to it. So now we have all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Well, it's fine. Let me just insert them. And let's see how it goes. So I'm actually have to just take away 2. Okay, I just have to take away one. Yeah. See, from this I'm to take away one, I'm going to take away this rice. I think it's too big here. So let me click on edit. Where's the rice? Where's this? Wait, go. I don't need it again. So everything can be right. Everything can be just. So guys, now I think I've been able to do, I'm done with the home page. Everything is set. What I need to do is just click on publish. Yeah, great. So let's go back to our site. So now let us assume you have a room. What you can do is to add the room to part of the service. Maybe people that come to your resource center, maybe at night, in the evening, maybe they don't want to go home, and you have an hotel, join with your resource center, because sometimes some resource centers stand on their own, while sometimes some resource centers are joined with an hotel, whereby if you can come to their hotel view, and if you want to use a resource center, you pay extra charges. Why some, if you also come to their resource center, maybe probably at night you don't want to go back to your house, maybe you and your husband or you and your wife, you go to that place to have to spend the weekend. So there's an hotel to accommodate you guys for the for the whole time you want to spend there. So in that way, if there's a accommodation, add the accommodation to part of the service and create a page for room. So if you don't know how to set up a room, now let me show you. I have a video about them. Before I show you the video you can watch on how to set up a hotel room on your website. Let's reload this. Guys, can you see that we have a nice website, nice standard website? What else do we want? Mobile friendly, mobile friendly. May we check. Mobile friendly. This is not placed. I mean, everything is cool. Can you see? Everything. They are looking perfect and great to me. So you have the row section. You can, and I told you can add as many row section you want. And you keep scrolling down. Look at it. Mobile friendly site. No gimmick. No stress. No problem. Can you see? Nice site. And this is a site you can charge almost 300k for a client at least, for a basic customer. So, and like I said, in case you don't know how to add more than one store, let me show you here. So come to your content here. You just have to duplicate this one. Just duplicate this one. There will be theory now. Can you see? This is now. Yeah, we did the first one. Let's wait and see. Okay, my mouse is on. That's why it's not sliding. Let me take away my mouse of it. It's sliding. Second one now, 2. And this is the third one, theory. So we can just edit the content and the like. So for then, let me just ignore that. I'm going to close the way I've just told it to. So I think for the about us, I don't want this video to long. For the about us, activities and contact us, let me show you the page I'm going to be giving to you about that. So if you see about us here, let me just show you the about us there. It's still the same way. Can you see about us here? Can you see what we have here? It's just simple. This particular research center, they have a farm. That is why I added the farm section here. But this alone is okay. Now, if they didn't have a mission statement, vision statement, and why you show them. So if you feel like you want to add a mission statement, you can add it as you like. It's all depends on you. And if they have maybe they have a team, but most of the research center I've been seen, I've not seen our team member. No, it's fine. I've not really seen it. But then if you want to add it, you can also add it. Just come to your Elementor here. Let me show you the plugin you can use. Let me show you something what you can use. Just come to this plus icon here, add element. And I will advise you to use Shina on. So let me just show you to round up. Just type team. So you see the one for Shina. That is why when you are building your website and you are using Elementor, make sure you use Shina, add Shina Elementor with the plugin. Please, it's very, very important, because Shina Elementor come with a whole lot of things. Now this is for essential add-on. This is for Elementor site key. This is for Shina. I do use Shina, or I use essential. Just drag it. You just put the picture and everything. You get that one done. That's my problem. So like I said, if you want to add an accommodation to your website, or like an hotel, so I'm going to show you the site I built about hotel booking website. You can watch the video just to get an idea on how you can do the setting. So you just need to add one more plugin and then another. So come to my video section. Anytime you come to Dleading Web Design, this is my channel name, Dleading Web Design. Yeah. So this is the video section. Hotel booking website. This is it. Can you see it? How to create an hotel booking website. You can just see the plugin I use, see the way I do it, and add it to to my own. That's it. So guys, I think by now the activities, what I do in the activities is very, very simple. If you look at it I just want to show you. I just copy all these. You see, these are all the activities that we have. I will still have more. So let me show you the gimmick. When I come to this my activities page here, I just copy this. Just come here. Just copy it. Let me just show you. Just copy. Once I copy it, let me come to my I'll come to my activities page here. Let me open it. I'll come to the end of this tutorial. I just want to show you something, say in case of you, but again, in case you want to get the template, you can come and get the template from me. I can get it done for you. I'll just click on edit. Let me just show you. I think that's the last thing I think left to me. I'm done with the video tutorial. I'll click on edit with Elementor, and I'll wait for it to load. So that it has loaded for me, I will just paste. Simple as ABC. Simple as A, and I'll click on publish. Can you see? So as many, because we just have only 4 here. So if you have like 10 stuff here, just come to this place, to your setting here, click on this, set it up here. Number of posts you want it to show, let it show 10. And everything will show. If you say you want it to just show 4, and just scroll down. If you maybe just want it to show 4 and you want to see more, just scroll down here. Shall you see load more? This is it. Click on it, and you will see load more. Now let me just make this. Let us say I just make this one too. Now can you see now there's load more here, and I can come to style, to my style, to change the color of this load more to my normal color. Load more button, this is it. So when I click on this load more button, it's going to change my, and I'll say okay, change it to my same color. Can you see now? And I'll click on publish, and I'll come here and I'll refresh. I have my stuff here. Okay, this load more. Let me load more. Can you see? These are there. Can you see? Simple as ABC. And then I come to my contact us and I build my contact us. That's all. So all these things are very, very simple. They're very, very simple. But if you feel like, oh, I don't want to pass through all this thread, I want you to give me the template. I want to, just give me the template. That's all I need. No problem, I'll give you the template, but then it's not going to be free. You're going to pay for it, but it's going to be as lower as possible. It's going to be low price. And the reason why we're going to charge for that is just to encourage us to be able to look for how to create more content. But if you want to build it by yourself, you can do it. I'm telling you, you can do it, guys. So that's it. Thank you very much for staying to me, for watching this video to the end of to the end. So please and please, if you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friend. Please share this video with your friend. Thank you very much. I am very grateful. And my name is Michael Adidapo. I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design, where we teach people how to design a website, and we also help business owners to do what? To have a strong online presence that can give them comparative advantages. Thank you. God bless you. Please, this channel need your prayer. I need the Dleading Web Design need your prayer. Please pray along with us to keep expanding more and more. Thank you. God bless you.